On a warm summer morning, my heart was burning. I commander tired from war, made haste to see my father in his glory and his power. Got down on one knee and I said, Lord, I'm weary, I'm weak and I'm worried. These battle scars are bringing me down. I'm trembling and I'm wobbling, I'm weak and I'm scared, over and over again.
And I heard a voice say to me,
I have led you, I'll still lead you through the darkness. In my love I'll renew you, my grace is sufficient. So stand up, don't be afraid, 'cause I'll be with you till the end. Soldier, rise up, victory is here. I'll be with you till the end. Till the end, till the end, till the end, till the end, the end. We've been battling for days, thousands dying on the me, all around. We've been waging war for days, hundreds falling all around me, all around. There is hunger, sickness and drought. There is death and sorrows among your people.
too much sorrow.
I don't know what to do, so I'm looking up to you, Need your strength and need your help. Say the word, say the word, say the word,
Say the word.
and my heart and my soul shall be healed. Say the word, Lord, say the word, say the word, and my heart shall be healed. And it says to me, son, don't cry, everything will be alright.
Stand up,
So stand up, don't be afraid. I'll be with you till the end. Soldier, rise up, victory is here. I'll be with you till the end. So stay.